Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Zuhri bin Muhammad Jamaluddin. Nombor matriks 05DAD 19F1083 dari kelas DAD 2B Section 2. Tajuk yang akan saya bentangkan hari ini adalah tire. What is a vehicle tires? A tire in American English or tire in British English, see spelling differences, is a ring-shaped component that surrounds a wheel's rim to transfer a vehicle's load from the axle through the wheel to the ground and to provide traction on the surface traveled over. Most tires, such as those for automobiles and bicycles, are pneumatically inflated structures which also provide a flexible cushion that absorbs shock as the tire rolls over raw features on the surface. Tires provide a footprint that is designed to match the weight of the vehicle with the bearing strength of the surface that it rolls over by providing a bearing pressure that will not deform the surface excessively. The materials of modern pneumatic tires are synthetic rubber, natural rubber, fabric and wire, along with carbon black and other chemical compounds. They consist of a tread and a body. The tread provides traction while the body provides containment for a quantity of compressed air. Before rubber was developed, the first version of tires were simply bands of metal fitted around wooden wheels to prevent wear and tear. Early rubber tires were solid, not pneumatic. Pneumatic tires are used on many types of vehicles, including cars, bicycles, motorcycles, buses, trucks, heavy equipment, and aircraft. Metal tires are still used on locomotive and rail cars, and solid rubber or other polymer tires are still used in various non-automotive applications, such as some casters, carts, lawn mowers, and wheelbarrows. Information stamp on the tire sidewall. P tire type. The P stand for passenger, so these tires are often called P metric. You might see include LT stands for light truck, ST stands for special trailer, and T for temporary. The absence of a letter at the beginning of the size description indicates that the tire is Euromatic. The main difference is that Euromatic tires may have different load carrying capacities than their P-metric counterparts. For 225 is a tire width. The 225 represents the approximate section width or width of the tire from sidewall to sidewall. The larger the number, the wider the tire. For 60 is the aspect ratio. The 60 refers to the aspect ratio, which is the nominal sidewall height reflected as a percentage of section width. So the sidewall height on this tire is 60% of 225 or approximately 135 millimeters. For the R is the construction. The R stands for radial construction, which is the industry standard for passenger car and light truck tires. A B or X in place of the R would indicate that the tire has bias ply construction. For 16 is a rim or bed diameter. The 16 represents in inches diameter of the bits, which means that this tire is designed to fit on a rim with a 16-inch diameter. For the 97V is for service description. The final component of the size designation is called the service description, which indicates the load index and the speed symbol for the tire. Load index, or 97 in this example, is a 2 or 3-digit code that represent the maximum load that can be carried at the speed indicated by the speed symbol. In order to determine the actual maximum load for the tire, you must consult the load index chart below. The speed symbol, or V in this example, indicates the maximum speed for the tire, but it is more like a performance rating that reflects the handling characteristic after it is installed on the vehicle. For dot code, another important piece of information on your tires, sidewall often referred to as the Department of Transportation, or DOT code, and the tire identification number, or TIN. The three letters DOT indicate that the tire has passed all of the tests required by the Department of Transportation, or DOT, for motor vehicle safety standards. After the DOT insignia is your tire's identification number, TIN. The first grouping of two to three letters or numbers represents the assigned identification mark for the manufacturer. What is effects of incorrect wheel alignment? Driving a vehicle with improper wheel alignment can cause uneven wear on the tires. If the problem is not corrected soon enough, a vehicle's tires could suffer premature wear and tear, making them ineffective for safe driving. An alignment problem should be corrected immediately to avoid unnecessary tire damage. Misalignment can put undue stress on a vehicle suspension, posing a risk of damaging suspension components, which could result in expensive vehicle repairs. When driving at high speeds, wheel misalignment can cause difficulty in steering, increasing the risk of an accident. Tires that are out of alignment tend to drag to the side, forcing the driver to keep a hard grip on his or her steering to keep the vehicle under control. Misalignment can adversely affect how a vehicle brakes and handles, compromising safety on the road. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.